Wait, you know that pop when you crack your knuckles? It's way stranger than you think. When you pull or bend a joint, you create space inside it. That space drops the pressure in the joint fluid, and tiny gas bubbles form, then collapse with a pop. That sound? It's literally your body releasing trapped gas. Some scientists thought it was your bones grinding, but nope. It's mostly nitrogen bubbles bursting in the synovial fluid that cushions your joints. And no, cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis, but it can weaken your grip over time if you overdo it. So the next time you crack your knuckles, remember, that sound is your body letting out microscopic explosions. Follow, comment, and share for more unhinged facts.